Welcome back. According to the National Institute of Health, about 2 million people in the United States have celiac disease, a digestive and immune disorder triggered by a protein called gluten, found in foods like bread, cakes, and pasta. People with celiac disease have strict dietary constraints, which can make it difficult to enjoy an evening out for dinner at a restaurant or at a friend's house. Now, here to tell us a little bit more about celiac disease and to show us some easy, delicious gluten-free recipes, we have Dietitian Lucy Frey. She's with the Helen DeVos Children's Hospital Pediatric Gastroenterology Clinic, and Chef Samantha Sherman with the Lifestyle and Culinary Medicine program at Corewell Health, the new name for Spectrum Health. Sam, Lucy, that was a mouthful, but I think there's another mouthful coming, right? With this awesome recipe you guys got. Thanks for being on the show. Appreciate it. Let's just talk about celiac disease. I kind of alluded to what it is. How prevalent is this and how serious is it?
Yeah, about 1% of the population has celiac.
Okay.
And it can be very serious if untreated, but when treated with a strict gluten-free diet, there are no complications.
So what's the difference between, a lot of people say I'm gluten sensitive, right? There's a gluten sensitivity and then there's celiac disease. I mean, is there a fine line, is there like a strong line there, or is it kind of blurry?
No, there's a difference. So celiac disease is an autoimmune disease in which the ingestion of gluten causes a reaction in the small intestine that prevents those from celiac from absorbing nutrients. And there are specific clinical tests, blood work and biopsies of the small intestine that officially diagnose celiac. And non-celiac gluten sensitivity is when people are sensitive to gluten, when they report symptoms to ingesting gluten, but they don't have a positive diagnostic test for celiac.
So there is a diagnostic test for this to know specifically if you have celiac disease or not.
Yes.
So it could just be a sensitivity, could be the disease. The blood work makes it possible. Sam, we're talking no bread, no pasta. I mean, these are things that people love, and this is the season for baking, right? I mean, everyone's baking cookies and things for the holidays. Tell us we're not leaving folks with celiac disease out of the picture here.
Yeah, so there's lots of all-purpose gluten-free mixes out there on the market. You just got to find the right one that works for the recipe you're working. And as far as pasta goes, there's lots of great gluten-free options out there. Some that are all legume-based, like garbanzo bean and red lentil-based. So there's lots of substitutions that can be made.
And I see a lot of jars.
Yes.
Okay, we got a recipe in front of us too, right?
Yeah.
I mean, are there certain ingredients that are better than others to use for those who are suffering with celiac disease?
Yeah, so we're going to be highlighting some quinoa today, which is, it's technically a seed, but we treat it like a whole grain.
Okay.
And it is gluten-free. And then we also have some apple cinnamon baked oatmeal cups. And oats are naturally gluten-free, just sometimes processing them, they contaminate them with wheat.
Okay.
So you just got to find the right ones.
So you can still use oats, you can still use quinoa, so
Yep.
I mean, you're still getting that feel, right?
Yeah.
I like that. So what is this all just go into a bowl? What are we making?
Yeah, so we're going to be making a chicken pomegranate quinoa salad today. However, today we're going to be using chickpeas. I like using chickpeas instead of chicken sometimes, or you can use both.
Okay.
It's really easy. I've done all the hard work for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you're just going to be throwing everything in a bowl. So I have some cooked quinoa here. Quinoa takes about 12 to 15 minutes to cook. Really easy, one of the fastest cooking grains. And then I just let that cool. And then we have some drained and rinsed, just jarred chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
Yeah, just from a can. That totally works. Whole thing,
You
yeah.
got it? All right. Chickpeas are in. Chickpeas and quinoa. There's already plenty of protein right there.
Yes,
right?
yeah, yep. Yeah, and then we have our dressing. It's really easy. It's just orange juice, salt, and pepper.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, so you
can't
get
mess
your
it up.
citrus feel to your quinoa.
Yeah.
And quinoa is a big hit in our house too.
Yeah.
Yeah. We do love
Yeah,
that.
and it lasts.
Oh, so the salt and pepper was in there. Okay,
Yes,
all right.
yes.
What else? We got to give this a little bit of fruit, some crunch.
Yeah, so we have some seasonal fruit. We have some Honeycrisp apple.
Yes.
And then probably the best seasonal fruit right now, in my opinion, is some pomegranate seeds. You can only get them right now. They're in season right now. They're extra delicious.
No, pomegranate seeds are notoriously hard to get out of pomegranates.
Yeah.
I mean, and you can buy this stuff that's already out,
Yeah.
but it doesn't really taste as fresh.
Not as good, no.
Right.
Yeah.
So you got a trick?
Yeah, so I either do the cut in half and hit it with the back of the spoon into a bowl. I prefer the water method where you put it in a bowl of water and kind of just squeeze out the seeds. It's a little less messy.
Okay.
And then we have lots of greenery. So we have some baby spinach that I cut up.
Yes.
And then lots of herbs. We have parsley, cilantro, green onion,
I'm
and
just
then
tossing it all in here.
yeah, and then a little mint, which is kind of an odd one, but it really makes it extra refreshing and delicious.
Look at all that green.
Yeah, and then just for a little extra crunch, I have some toasted sliced almonds.
What a salad,
Yeah.
Sam. Oh my goodness. And if you wanted that meat, you could throw in the cubed chicken in here
Yes.
instead of
Yep.
the chickpeas, or add them. You know, double down on your
you
proteins.
can do both. Yeah.
Look at that salad, ladies and gentlemen. This is lunch right here. Does Corewell Health offer any like educational cooking classes where people can learn this stuff?
Yeah, so if you go to our website, we have 2 upcoming celiac cooking classes in the early 2023 and then in the spring of 2023, where we'll be making lots of recipes like this, and it'll be chef and dietitian taught.
Lucy, Sam, thank you so much for the time this morning and for all the great information. Love it. The tasty stuff waiting for you. Want to learn more? Celiac.org. Of course, you can always go to spectrumhealth.org as well. We'll be right back.